Hello, and welcome back to English Narrative Hub.
The podcast where you improve your English through real, natural conversations.
Simple ideas, clear structure, and English you can actually use.
Let's begin.
Robert, let me ask you something personal. If I followed you for one day, what would I see?
You would see small things, simple actions repeated every day. And those small actions are my habits.
That's interesting, because habits look simple, but they actually define your life.
Exactly. And here's the problem. Many people live their habits, but can't explain them in English.
Yes, they say things like, I wake up, I eat, I work, and it feels empty.
Not wrong, but not complete.
So today, we're going to help you describe your daily habits in a way that sounds clear, natural, and confident.
And later, we'll give you a simple formula that will change how you speak about your life.
Robert, why do habits matter so much?
Because habits show who you are, even when you're not trying. They show how you think, how you use your time, and what you care about.
So when you describe your habits, you're actually telling your story.
Exactly. And that's why this question appears everywhere. Interviews, conversations, even first impressions.
So here's what we'll do today.
We'll start with your morning habits.
Then your work or study habits.
And finally, your evening routine.
And at the end, we'll give you a simple structure that makes everything easier. Let's start with the morning. Robert, what do you do when you wake up?
My mornings are slow, on purpose. I wake up at around 6:30, but I don't check my phone immediately. Instead, I sit quietly for a moment and take a few deep breaths. It may sound simple, but it helps me start the day calm and focused.
That's powerful. You're not just describing actions, you're explaining intention. Many learners say, I wake up, I drink coffee, I go to work.
And that's correct, but it feels incomplete. Just add one small reason. That changes everything.
What about your work habits?
At work, I try to focus on one important task first. This helps me feel productive early in the day. I also take short breaks because I know my energy is limited. If I don't rest, I lose focus.
That's very real. You're describing behavior and awareness. And your evenings?
Evenings are for slowing down. I stop checking work messages because I want my mind to rest. I usually cook dinner and sometimes listen to music or just sit quietly. Before bed, I read for a few minutes. It helps me disconnect and sleep better.
In a moment, we'll show you how to make even simple habits sound interesting in English. But first, let's put everything together. So, Robert, what are your daily habits?
I try to keep my habits simple but consistent. In the morning, I start slowly and avoid distractions. During the day, I focus on important tasks and take breaks. And in the evening, I relax, cook, and reflect. I believe small habits create big results over time.
That's clear, balanced, and natural. Here's the formula.
Time of day, habit, reason, benefit.
One habit, one reason.
Clarity builds confidence. Confidence builds fluency.